Instant Pot experiment series here. So I got chicken broth, which is an easy one, and
big ass pack
of drumsticks. And I just like drumsticks, but they were on sale. That's why I got them. And a lot of good slow cook recipes do really well with meat that has bones in it, because bone marrow makes a certain kind of flavor. And so doing that, I gotta wash my hands, hang on. And what I got is Japanese yams or Korean sweet potatoes. We get them at the Korean Mart. And they're going in there too. And I'm not really sure how many potatoes I'm gonna put in. But the cool thing is that with potatoes, we can weigh them after the fact. So I'll be able to measure all of this if I pull the meat off of the chicken thighs. And right now I am dieting, so yes, I will still be doing that. So here's the thing, well, these are chicken drumsticks, but it still has the same macro as a chicken thigh. Now, everyone is about that chicken breast life. And chicken breast has, let's say here, for 4 ounces, it's gonna have 23 grams of protein and 1.5 grams of fat. And for 4 ounces of chicken thighs, you'll have the same amount of protein with 3 grams of fat. So 1.5 grams fat more for 4 ounces. Which for me, the difference in the taste between chicken thighs and chicken breast is so substantial that it's worth it for me to just have chicken thigh. I think it just tastes that much better. And you know what? I just made a big ass mistake, so I don't want these potatoes in here before I season this. Put the seasoning right on my chicken. So I am actually going to use some Splenda here. Really want this to be kind of like that. Now, I know it looked like a lot, but mind you, there's like over 20 drumsticks in here. Siracha. How much sriracha? That much sriracha. There's nothing in sriracha but sodium and spices. So you're good to just let that empty out. I don't know if this is going to be good or not. We'll find out. Bam, bam,
bam,
done. So now I got to figure out what kind of setting I want to use for this. Ooh, that's going to be good. All right, let's put it on a plate and see how it looks. All it was sweetened sriracha, and then okay, so all it was sriracha with sweetener, and it came out really good. And sweet potatoes carry a lot of flavor too. You put the bones in there, it'll have a different flavor. I'm not really sure how to explain bone marrow flavor, but it's good. And it's wicked hot. Really good though. You got how tender that is? I am out of meat. I'm carried away because I am dieting. No. If I was dieting for a competition, I would actually have to account for these couple bites, but I'm just kind of dieting because I got a little carried away with my off season. You know what I mean? It was really good. So if you guys have anything else that you guys would like to see me cook
in here,
this was honestly just totally an experiment. But, you know, that's how I come up with a lot of ideas, is by experimenting. So if you guys have anything that you would like to see me cook, please request something and I will make it. Or something like it, as long as it's like healthier, high protein stuff.